everybody, and Happy New Year! Today is January 1st of 2020 as I'm recording this. I don't actually know when I'm going to be posting it, but just so you know, that's when I'm getting at it. So this, my first unboxing of 2020. So I got this as part of the Black Friday sale on AliExpress. And it is 3 diamond paintings from a store that I've never bought from before, Sophie Beauty. Now, I know a lot of people have bought from there. I've seen many videos from Rachel Ray, for example, from there. And so I thought, I want to get something from them too. So I picked 3 diamond paintings that I thought were beautiful. I thought I had ordered a 4th, but then I realized, no, I didn't order it. I didn't actually take it out of my cart or out of my wish list. So I have 3 that I'm going to unbox for you. And I think the way I'm going to do it is just, they came all wrapped around a single foam core. So as you see here, there are at least 2 different sizes. Yeah, there's 2 different sizes here. And the first one is this one, which I call, what do I call that one? I think I call it, let's see. Oh yes, okay. So I call this Girl with Fan and Parrot. I have a lot of girl with diamond paintings, and I distinguish them by what else is in the picture with the girl. Okay, so there is a little piece of tape on here to secure the diamond painting. That doesn't bother me. Some people don't like it. Doesn't bother me. All right, I'll just start a garbage pile on the floor there. And let's just take this off. Oh, those are taped as well. Now I have to figure out which one of these is for that one. Yeah, okay, there we go. So we'll stick this in there and we'll do those unboxings a little later. All right, so here's a better picture of the image. It's a 40 by 50 and it is square drills. So we'll do the inventory on that in a little while. I do not plan to order any more diamond paintings. I don't know if I'm gonna. Okay, so over the holidays, I ordered, well, not over the holidays, during the 11/11 sale and the Black Friday sale, I think I ordered 60 or 70 diamond paintings. I don't know. I went a little crazy. But I decided, you know what? I didn't travel this year. Oh, look, there's something on the back of this canvas. I'm not fussed about it. The canvas looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. There's a couple of little pieces of fluff, but that is about as nice a canvas as you're going to get. And I also really, really like the feel of it. It feels more like canvas, less like plastic. Okay. Yeah, I ordered a ridiculous number of diamond paintings, and what can I say? There are 2 others that I plan to order because my daughter wants me to do 2 more customs for her, and so those ones I will be ordering. But I now have in my inventory of diamond paintings that are ready to work on. That does not include about 40 that I have over on my chair, packages to unbox. But in my ready, well, no, it does include them. So in my ready stash, okay, in my ready stash, I have 241 items. That means I have 241 diamond paintings that are put away, waiting for me to work on them. That's a lot, and I need to get a handle on that. So my resolution for New Year's, I'm making it right now, is that I'm going to work on my stash and not buy a whole lot of new diamond paintings, except those two for my daughter. You're still going to see a lot of unboxing videos from me because I release them every 3 days or so. And I have probably close to 100 to release. So that'll take us through most of the year with me doing unboxings of diamond paintings that I actually have on hand, or a few that I'm still waiting for from the 11/11, or yeah, from the 11/11 or Black Friday sale. All right, so let's just take a look at this diamond painting. And like I say, I've never ordered from Sophie Beauty before, but I wanted to try them out because Rachel really enjoyed them. And they do have some images that I haven't seen other places, so I wanted to check them out. There's little fluffs. I don't know what they are. Oh, okay. So this is more muted colors than I normally choose, but I did like the image a lot. And so there we go. It looks like a lot of olives and things like that, and yet as I'm looking at the drills here, there's some olive, like some pale olives and things like that, but there's a lot of other beautiful colors too. So I'm not going to pull this back any farther than that. Let's center that a little bit better. Just, I'm going to have to lift you up a little bit because, oh wait a minute, no I don't. I'll just, whoops. There we go. Okay, so there we go. There's this lovely girl with fan. Here's the fan. And Parrot. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. I think that's going to be just lovely. And I'm not sure where I'll put it, but the other resolution I have for this year is I'm actually going to put up some of my diamond paintings in my condo. I have not hung a single one of my own diamond paintings. All right, I'm going to take you out of the holder and I'm going to take you down to take a look at the drill field and the legend on this diamond painting. Let's start with the legend. And let's make sure that there's nothing here that's overly confusing. So far, everything I see is very, very clear. They have the two brackets, but one of them is like a white on dark, and this 640 is a black on light. So that's not going to be confusing. It looks pretty good to me. Yep. Okay, so there's nothing there that I find confusing. It's very clear on the drill field. I mean, you could work on this without a light pad. I won't. I will use a light pad. And now that I have a power bank, I'm not limited to working on my table. I can actually work anywhere and just plug my light pad into my power bank. So there we go. Yeah, that's really pretty. Very clear. The adhesive is plenty sticky. Now, you know I like to zoom in on the faces. Well, we'll zoom out first, and then we'll zoom in on the face. And look at the bird. The bird just looks beautiful. And then as we zoom in, you still get a lot of definition, even at this close range. I think I'm about 6 inches away. This is good. Yep. Okay, so that is the beautiful girl with fan. Yeah, I like that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is put you back in the holder. I'm going to measure this just to make sure that we did get a 40 by 50, and then I'm going to do the inventory. And I will go fast through the inventory, but I know a lot of you like to see that, so we will do it, because what the heck. All right, let me close this up. Diamond painting cross stitch. I'm always interested in what they call them. I would almost call it diamond painting paint by number. Okay, there we go. There were a number of kits in the bag that I did not comment on. But here we go. We've got a single placer with a 3-placer on the end. That's very nice to have. It's got some wax. It's got a boat with funnel. It's got a few plastic bags. And it's got bent nose tweezers, which I think I'm going to get rid of all my bent nose tweezers. I have not found a good use for them yet. They're just taking up space. So as much as I hate to get rid of things without finding a use for them, I think I have to get rid of these. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Oh, forgot to measure. So I can just see the edge underneath the, it's 40 centimeters wide by 50 centimeters. So that's just a nice little one. But the other thing I want is to not do as many big ones anymore. Of course, that's kind of too late for this year because I've already ordered what I've ordered. But I do want to buy some of the smaller sizes because you get to finish them faster. And there's a certain amount of pleasure that comes from finishing projects. I don't like to do the little tiny ones, 30 by 30 or 30 by 40 too much. But, 40 by 50, this one looks like it's going to look very nice. So I think I could probably, when I do start buying again, do more in that size. Okay. I will not be using this bag again. So I'll set that aside. I will bring you down. Okay, I think you can see this more or less well. So this one has 41 colors, which is very respectable. And it's been very clearly checked off, and you can tell that the person actually did check everything. So I'm expecting everything will be here that's supposed to be here. But we won't know that for sure until we actually start, right? So let's start. Okay. So what I've been doing is I get these Ziploc bags from the grocery store when I buy deli meats, and I hate to waste things. So I just wash them very well inside and out, and then I use them to store diamond drills. I hate to throw away plastic. If it can be reused, I want to reuse it as many times as I possibly can because, it's a small way of helping the environment. So that's my public service announcement for this. Okay, so let's start. Here we go. 310. 6. Okay, so there we go. That is all of the drills that I have. And here they are. Whoops, that one is not lying quite the way I want it to. I'm fussy about the way these things go into the bag. So, there we go. That like that. And push that down. Press the air out of it so that it takes up as little room as possible. Okay, and there we have my drills for this diamond painting. Let's make sure that there's a tick beside every number. Yes, there is. And there were a couple that they gave me extras of. So I'm perfectly good with that. Oh, and of course I should have put this in there. So we'll just fold that over like that. And fold that up like that. Okay, so let's see. This, okay, I didn't actually give you the details on this diamond painting. So, let's do that now. So, Girl with Fan and Parrot. I ordered it on November 29th, so that was Black Friday. This was my 286th diamond painting order. I like the colors. I mean, like I say, they're kind of muted, but I like them. 40 by 50 square. And this is from Sophie. Beauty. Okay, so that's good. And somewhere I've got the sticker. Got the sticker to put on the diamond painting itself. Because now I'm using stickers because I didn't like the idea of writing with indelible marker on my canvas, just in case I didn't want to frame a canvas and give it away to somebody. If there's indelible marker on it, it kind of makes it hard to do that. So now what I'm doing is I've got these pre-labeled stickers and I just stick them on there. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. And now this goes in here. So after I did all that, now I have to like so. No, I don't like it with the label up. I could use some, I have some Goo Gone that I could actually remove that label with, but I'm not that fussed. So I'll just stick this in here like this. And there we go. There's the Sophie Beauty. Oh, you know what? I will get rid of that. And for anybody who hasn't seen this before, all you need is a little tiny bit of Purell and a Kleenex. And you just rub that right off. Maybe I didn't put enough Purell on there. But that'll take anything that's got printing on it, on plastic. Purell will take that right off. I need more Purell. There we go. Anyway, yeah, so we still need more. Okay, I don't know what's happening here, but some of this is not coming off. I don't know if it's because my Kleenex is overdone. I've never actually had this problem before with removing the printing on something. It might be that the plastic got scratched when I was scrubbing it to wash it. I don't know. Anyway, that's the best I can do here. Well, I think if I were to keep at it, I'd be able to clean it off, and I will, but I'll do it off camera. Okay, so what else do you need to know about this diamond painting? So, okay. So that's all of the red rubbed off, and I mean there's more black here that I suppose I could get off, but I'm not that fussed about that. That just comes off super easy, as you see. Yeah, so I'll do that anyway off camera. You guys know I get a little bit, not OCD because that's probably going too far, but I can't just leave stuff. Okay, I'm gonna force myself to stop. Okay, so Girl with Parrot, 40 by 50 square from Sophie Beauty. Got it during the Black Friday sale. It was shipped on December 27th, and I didn't enter on my spreadsheet the day that it arrived. So I'm going to stick the date that it arrived on the screen here. And, okay, so this one was $25.81 Canadian before discount. I got a $5 discount. I think altogether, yeah, I got a $5 discount on this one. So I paid $20.81 Canadian, which is probably about $14, $15 US, which, you know, this is going to keep me busy for a few days, probably a week or so, if I work on it, you know, straight through. And that's pretty cheap entertainment as far as I'm concerned. You guys know I'm all about how cheap the entertainment is when justifying how much I spend on my diamond paintings. So there you go. That's the Girl with Fan and Parrot. And isn't she lovely? I think she's lovely. Okay, so that's it, everybody. I will be back to you with another video very soon. Take care. And again, Happy New Year.